What up, y'all? Today I'm going to show you how to take the license plate lights out in the 2021 and up Nissan Rogue. This is not for the Rogue Sport or anything else, just the Nissan Rogue full size. So first what you're going to need is a spudge tool. You can get these at any auto parts store, Walmart, wherever. They're used to like scrape things off like without damaging your paint. And what you're going to want to do is this whole license plate light is one unit, so you can't change the actual bulb in there. So you have to take the whole unit out. And so what you're going to do is you're going to stick this part in to under the where the light is, like this. And then you're going to want to kind of push and then pull down at the same time. Loosen it up a little bit. And then it should pop right out like that. The whole unit will come out and be connected via this little thing here. Obviously the same thing goes for the other side. Just kind of stick it under there, loosen it up, take it out, and then it'll fall right out. Now this part, in my opinion, is kind of the hardest part because this little blue clip here, that's what keeps it secured in there, but you also have to kind of have to wiggle it. And then there's a secondary little piece in there that you have to kind of pop this off with, but I just use a small screwdriver to do that. Obviously don't damage it. It's a whole piece, so the actual light bulb doesn't come out of there. It's kind of lame, but whatever. That's why we upgrade to LEDs, because they're better. Stick that in till it clicks. Once it's clicked in there, locked in place, just slide it in just like you did before. Go to the right first and then kind of press up. Nice little click. And there you have it. Way better. Way better. I went to the dealer to ask them if they could quote me the price for these and also look up the part number so I could find the LED ones that I did right now. They said $70 for these little things. $70 for a pair of these dull halogen lights that don't look quite as clean and nice as LEDs. And they can go straight in the trash, if you ask me. $70. I'll put the link in the description of the video where I got my LEDs, and enjoy.